Hi, hello, and welcome back to another new video of Learning Excel with me, Harshita, in a channel called All About HR. So, in today's video, I'm going to teach you like how to add a Sparkle charts. Okay. So, ideally, what is Sparkle charts? Like they are helpful to analyze the performance, salary, or whatever you want to check. So for that, what we can do is like for there are two methods. First method is like go to the insert under the insert tab. So here you do have a different kind of sparklines, right? So what you will be doing is like if you want a line, you can select the line, select the data range. Data range is ideally the range where the numbers are there. Okay, so this is my range and where you want to apply this chart. So I will select this D2 and click on OK. So this is how the sparkline line chart works. Okay, and if you want to apply some other charts, so you can do the same thing. Go to the insert, select the bar charts, select the win or lose chart. Okay, and the other method now I'm going to show you is like it's a shortcut. So for that, first you need to select the entire range by clicking on Control A. Once you click on Control A, select Control Q. So the dialog box of conditional formatting appears here. So based on the conditional formatting, what you will be doing is like you will be selecting data bars. Okay, so once you select the data bars, here automatically data starts showing here itself the cells range where the numeric value is there. Okay, so these are the two methods we can use to insert this one sparkle chart or data bars. If you like this video, please do click on the subscribe button and do not forget to click on notification bar so that you would be the person who would receive an early updates on whatever the videos I upload in my channel. So yeah, please do share this kind of videos with your friends who are keen to learn Excel. And till the next video, I would request you all to keep learning, keep growing. So yep, chalo, we'll meet in the next video. Till the next video, signing off. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and your loved ones.